What do you know about splitters?
It's like a beard for a car.
Welcome back to Garage. Today we got parts because Josh is going to be doing some things with some 124 A-Barts. Now hold there, will you? Turn around, show them the lettuce.
What's up,
show
guys?
the people the lettuce. On today's episode, what are you doing, Josh?
Roll bar, harness bar install, but not
Brad,
only-
can you not unbox in the middle of the intro, please? Thanks, buddy.
Anyways, we gotta do a roll bar and a harness bar install. Not only is it gonna be installed, I have to make this stuff from scratch. Then, we're gonna mount some seats. I have already made the base plates for the seats because it's a little bit boring watching that, but I did it all completely out of cold roll steel to mount our belt seats and seat belts. Then we're gonna start doing some aero. We got some really cool aero from APR, all carbon fiber, and then we gotta roll fenders because we got some wide BC forged wheels that are wrapped with some Toyo tires that just give it that aggressive stance, right, Zach? How did you explain it earlier?
We got a whole lot of beef on these Johnnies right now, right? And when you're trying to squeeze all that meat in that extra medium T that is a Fiat 124, sometimes you gotta roll sleeves up a little bit. Anyway, continue.
We gotta prep our comp cars for the Hoonigans Wanted competition. That includes coilovers, wheels, tires, K&N filter, wastegates, a whole lot to do with no time to do it, but we're gonna do it anyways, because that's what we do. And then we're gonna announce the winners.
That's right, baby. I'm gonna be announcing all of the finalists of our Hoonigans Wanted 2 driver search. That's everybody that's coming with us to smash all over these 124s and some 500 A-Barts.
That's it. Can we just get rid of it?
All right, do this!
Step one, gotta unbolt these because all this is an aluminum structure. We can't weld steel to aluminum. So we're gonna take these off so I can get my dimensions of bolt to bolt here and kind of pre-make a plate that's gonna sit on top of here that I can shoot our roll bar to. All right, we back in the shop. Got a bunch to do with little time to do it. I still gotta finish the roll bar because we ran out of time. So the plan is we're gonna shoot a couple of tubes here, kind of get it a nice, extra little supports, as well as do our harness bar for our belt seats, for our belt seat belts. But we still gotta mount some aero that we got from APR Performance. We're gonna put a nice little spoiler on it, as well as a splitter. And then once I get done with that, we're gonna go ahead and roll these fenders because these Toyo tires are wide and they look sick on these BC Forged wheels. And we wanna keep them on the car. So to keep them on the car, we're definitely gonna have to roll those fenders. And like I said, there's not a whole lot of time. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna get to work. Check it out. Now we're getting the interior panels in there. Got this interior panel out so it grabs our original seatbelt mount. I used a piece of 1.5 inch 120 wall DOM. That seat ain't going nowhere. Next, we gotta take this out because we can't weld it in the car. We don't wanna burn the car down.
Oh, are you crying?
No, man, I just put drops in my eyes. No, I'm legitimately crying because I just want to win this Fiat, but I can't enter, so I can't win.
You lame. Let's go check on Josh. Let's go see what old boy's up to.
I just like poke my head in there every now and then and just like see what's going on. It looks like it's coming out pretty sick though.
Yeah,
This thing's coming
boy.
out nice. Carbon fiber wing.
APR.
Ooh.
Even check it out right here. We just unboxed this bad boy.
Oh man, it's even got a little carbon fiber gurney flap.
Ah.
Gurney flap.
I mean, how do we get 6 or 7 more inches on this?
So how's it going, Josh? What are you up to?
Okay,
I like the wheel and tire fitment. Looks freaking mean here.
Oh, it's definitely mean. We still gotta roll them. We haven't rolled them yet.
Wait, so we're running R888s on here?
Yeah. So your boy right here was in charge of the wheel and tire fitment. So I was working with Jonathan DeHate from BC Forged because we really wanted to put something on here that like looked aggressive. We did 245, 35, 18, R888R. This is like your track tire setup. These are R comps, they're 150 tread wear. So they're super grippy. But then we also have on the trailer that Josh and Dan are building, the Toyo R1Rs, and these are a little bit more street friendly. I think these are 200 and tread wear tire. So these are like super sticky, you could run them on track, but they'll be more friendly on the street. So these will be on the trailer for when you want to drive your car up to the track and stuff, and then go and switch out the R888s when you're up there. So
what are we running on the actual trailer itself?
well, we're not gonna run race tires on the trailers, but these are BC Forged monoblock wheels. These are 17 by 8s.
First of all, I'm disappointed that we're not matching track tires with the trailer. I mean,
What do you mean? We got forged wheels that match those wheels on the trailer that hold another set of Toyo tires and another set of forged wheels.
but think about this. How sick would it be with that tread pattern right here? Now look.
Do I have to just say the same thing I said over again?
All right.
Do we get to at least, beat on this thing when it's done, or?
I don't know, comment below. Do you want to see us destroy it before we give it away?
Well, whoever's winning it, I feel like it should get broken in, It should be...
Like ready to go.
It should be sent properly.
Well, stay tuned because we're about to have an entire competition based around somebody winning this, and a lot of these are going to get sent real hard.
Does it work? Is it real?
I don't see. That's why I brought you in.
Wow! I'm not gonna lay on it though because this thing is way too nice. But wow!
When I was setting this thing up, I was looking at, it's got these rad adjustable links right here. So you can put kinda, not whatever downforce you want, but it's definitely adjustable. But I don't know where to set it. So that's why I brought in Brad. What do you think, Brad?
Full tilt.
Full tilt.
Full tilt.
So you want this spoiler.
As much rake as possible.
Yeah?
Not void out. I mean, I almost want to put like an active system in here so when you step on the brakes, it goes
Active aero.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, active aero.
That would be sick.
All right, well, we're gonna keep adjusting and we're probably gonna move on to the splitter. Whoa, look at that thing.
That would look so sick on the front of the Cadillac.
But it's going on our Fiat. Sorry.
What do you know about splitters?
It's like a beard for a car. It goes like way back like that.
Does it make a big difference?
Actually it does. It puts a huge amount of downforce on the front wheels. So when the air comes to the front of the car, it's forcing this down, which is causing pressure on your front tires, which is giving you steer.
It kind of looks like, usually you kind of have to cut to fit for the tires, but it looks like APR did the hard work for us, which is super rad. It's just a matter of drilling the holes into our factory holes that we got here, but it looks like this thing will fit perfectly and more bolt-on than I thought. And we decided to not use our little vertical struts here. It's gonna be easy to mount them onto the splitter, but to mount them onto this, it's just gonna be a bunch of work. I can't really get my hands behind this piece of the bumper. There's a lot going on there. So we're gonna not really use that, and we kind of love this clean look. It's time to roll fenders. The only problem I foresee is that this part of the fender is steel. We can roll this, but when it gets into the bumper here, that is plastic. That will not roll. So hopefully we can pull this out enough to where it kind of also pulls this. The back is the same exact way, see? But I'm gonna do with what I can. I'm really good at taking a square peg and fitting it in a round hole. Now it's a matter of modifying the existing fender. I put light tension on a couple of the passes, go over it a couple of times, add more tension, but I'm not trying to pull out too much. And the other thing is too, what we want to see is that it's rolling it evenly. We don't want to see like waves. All right guys, it's another day in the shop. Our Fiat is still looking really clean. We still got some work to do on it, little things here and there, but for the most part, I'm really stoked on how it's coming out. Now, I needed some extra help because Dan's been out of the shop doing some other fun stuff that you guys are gonna check out, but Brad has been slamming down on our competition, Hoonigans Wanted cars. So far, what have we been doing over here, Brad?
Well, basically we've got a couple of these Spider 124s and a couple of the A-Berts 500s. And our contestants are gonna be competing in these cars here to win that car.
We need to do all these too.
3 124s and 2 500s.
Ooh,
the 500s
that's right.
themselves, we're not doing much to them, but the 124s, we're gonna be doing all wheels, all coilovers, K&N air cleaners, and the Turbo Smart blow-off valve.
Vinny. Oh. What up, Andreas? We're gonna go check out some progress on our Fiats in here.
Oh yeah?
You down for that?
Yeah. Where is it?
We got him. Oh, you good?
Hey.
What's up, Vinny?
Yo, what's going on? What we doing?
We're gonna go check out how these boys have done. Let's see what we got. Bam! What up? You got it finished or what?
Oh, Brad did.
Bluetooth Josh out.
Popping tags.
Oh, dang.
Woo, that actually hurt. It like sprung back. It's like metal or something.
Nice. So what's the deal? Are these all ready for competition or what?
Yeah, all we gotta do is do a little spit shining.
No, all we gotta do is announce all the people that are coming out.
Oh, shit, that's right. So all these Fiats are gonna be a part of our Hoonigans Wanted 2 challenge, right? These are the cars we're gonna be driving, and then this is gonna be the giveaway car. All right, so far, our finalists, as we've already announced, we've got Jackie Ding, Kendall Johnson, Nick Baumgartner, Ashton Harrison, and Brian Smith. The final 5 finalists. We've got George Salazar,
I'm doing this for the 9-to-5ers, the weekend warriors, the guys that never had the opportunity.
Jamie Moreno,
Racing is my life.
Christian Falopa,
Hey Hoonigans, Christian Flopa reporting for duty from beautiful sunny Southern California. I mean Detroit.
did I say it right? I don't know. Jessica Tracy,
I should be the next Hoonigan because I'm not your typical mom.
and what? We got Micah Diaz!
My name is Mike Diaz, and I'm in it to win it.
So those are our final finalists.
Next steps. We're gonna fly them out here and they're gonna battle it out in these cars. There's 3 of them. There's 10 contestants. We have a spare car, so if they send it super hard and break one, we have a backup. So we're gonna fly them out to California, put them through a series of tests, and you guys are gonna watch it over the next 5 weeks. So there's that.
Well, I guess on that note, there's only one thing left to do. So a little bit later, I'm gonna be announcing all of the winners for the Hoonigan. So, laughing at Brad. You want some?